Hey guys, I want to take a quick look at Algorand. The ticker for this is ALGO, and I'm currently on the weekly time frame. Now, before I get into this, I should mention that if this is your first time coming across this channel and you end up liking the analysis that I give, you might want to subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and then click on all so you actually get notified when I release new videos. I'm going to do about 2 or 3 analysis videos every single day. And because this is a new channel, it's only around 600 subscribers right now, I don't really get prioritized in the search algorithm, right? So once you leave this channel, if you're not subscribed, you might have a hard time finding it again. Okay, so the last time I kind of analyzed this coin, basically I said, we're basically in a big falling wedge here, descending wedge, which is, these will typically, when it does break out, it breaks out bullish, and we kind of have confluence to the fact that this is more likely to break out bullish because we have a double bottom right here, right? So, or potential double bottom. Now, if I go to a smaller time frame, we basically had a pattern within this larger pattern. So I'll go to the daily time frame, and what you can see here, we had this downsloping level of resistance, and we've been kind of fighting this for a few months now, right? But just a couple days ago, we broke out of it, right? We broke out of it. This is a really, really good sign. So the question is, okay, what now? Well, ultimately, with this breakout, okay, first of all, normally when the price breaks out of a long-term level of resistance, a lot of the time it'll come back and retest it before it makes its major upward move. Not 100% of the time, no. Ultimately, I think we're going to get a lot of resistance coming in right here. So you see, this is the horizontal region of resistance, right? And then it lines up perfectly, assuming the price kind of makes it up here at around August 15th or so. If that happens, it'll line up perfectly with this downsloping level of resistance. So we have the horizontal and the downsloping levels of resistance converging right here at around 0.1366. So if the price comes up here, I imagine this is going to be, a lot of resistance. A lot of people are going to take shorts at this level. Now, if we break this, then we're off to the races for the larger upswing, right? Because this will be breaking the a multi-year downtrend, right? If we break above here. So that's ultimately what we want to see. But in the meantime, just breaking this it's a really good sign. And I anticipate a lot of resistance to come in, a lot of selling pressure to come in right here. Now, as for the short term, so I'm going to change the chart here, and right now I'm on the 4-hour, right? So I've kind of redrawn this line based on the 4-hour candles. As you can see, no candle body is closing above this line, and what you can see that's happening right now, we were getting resistance from it right here. We broke out, and like I said, we came back down. We're getting supported by it right now. So this is kind of just like resistance to support retest. Now, if I'm going to take a trade right here, let's just see what kind of risk or reward I can get if I was to enter at the current price, which means I would have to place a stop loss below this previous level of resistance and just hope it holds a support. And I would also place my stop loss below right here, which is the previous day high and also the previous resistance level here. So I'd have to place my stop loss, probably even down here. Okay, if I was really tight with it, I'd place it right here. And let's say if I targeted right here, okay, this kind of swing high right here, that would give me a risk reward ratio in this trade of 1-4, which is really good. I would risk 1.84% to potentially get 7.44% to the upside. So that's a pretty good trade. And now, if I wanted to be a little bit looser with my stop loss, just to make sure I don't really get wicked out, and put it below here, even that would give me a risk reward ratio of 1 to 2.24, which is pretty good, not bad at all. So these are, if I wanted to take a short-term trade, this is potentially what I would look at. This is on the 4-hour time frame. But ultimately, we could end up coming back down here. If the price does come back down here, then I'm going to look to long. And then my target on the daily time frame here, just a swing trade over a week or two, would be up here, right? This is definitely where I would look to take profits. And also, if the price does come up here, maybe I would look to take a short position, right? So a short position, if the price comes up here, that makes me gives me the ability to have a really tight backstop. So I would wait for the daily candle to close, and if it was kind of like showing some signs of weakness, I'll look to the RSI, look for a divergence. Then I can short it down to the probably this region right here. That would give me a risk reward ratio of 1 to 4.5. I would risk 2.47% to potentially get over 11% to the downside. So yeah, these are two potential trades that I might consider. Obviously, if it comes up here, then I'm most likely going to take that one. This 4-hour one, I'm not personally going to take, but I'm just kind of giving you an example. I would want to see that this holds as a support now, right? And then yeah, you have the previous day high, previous day low. But Bitcoin does look a little bit overextended, like, or probably this does as well. Like if I oh no, yeah, looks okay. It looks okay, but yeah, this trade is obviously riskier, but at the same time, you're not risking a lot, right? You can have a pretty tight stop loss on this. But yeah, overall, Algorand looks great. This is exactly what we want to see, breaking this multi-month level of resistance. And then, yeah, if we are able to break this one, this larger one, this multi-year level of resistance, then yeah, then there's a big move at play, right? Well, yeah, this is a good sign. This is a good sign. These are your levels, and hopefully that helps. Just a quick one right now for Algorand. Take care. Oh, and once again, if you're not subscribed and you want to get these notifications, 2 or 3 videos every single day, just click subscribe, click the bell, and then click on all. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.